Welcome to the journey. Today, we, the formidable women, would like to take you all for an auto ride to reach Jogini Falls. But be careful, we have to track through forest to reach our final destination. Jogini Falls, located in Kulu Valley, it crashes down the mountains to form a stream that merges with the Beas River. You will track through a pretty forest to reach this waterfall. As you walk, you will pass small brooks fringed with mossy stones with the craggy mountains in the distance. Track through pine and deodar forest to reach Jogini waterfall. Dip your feet into the cool waters of the falls as it forms a stream. Admire the splendid views of snow-capped mountains and peaks. This journey will take us all to Jogini Falls for experiencing the nature, water, and beauty all together. Our visit to Jogini Waterfalls was not planned. We just discovered it. Jogini Falls track has a special space in our heart because this was our first track together as formidable women so far. So let us make you drizzle in the Jogini waterfalls. The Jogini waterfalls is shaped by a stream which is fused into the Beas River in the way of a stream's current. The trekking route to Jogini Falls is very popular and considered as one of the best short tracks near Manali. Trekking here would give you a chance to explore and learn more about the attractive local beauty and rural life in Himalayan villages. Jogini Falls is situated on the northern edge of Vashisht village and mark the village boundary. The waterfall cascades down from height of around 150 feet through multiple levels. There is a small pool at the base formed by the fall, and visitors can take a plunge in the water and spend some time. The flow of water is heaving in monsoons and suggested not to adventure into the water during this time. The trackers are enchanted as they cross several smaller streams with a dazzling view of River Beas and the snow-dusted peaks of Rohtang. A complete treat for nature lovers and adventure seekers. It took about 2 hours to climb to the Jogini waterfalls, and you were lucky because the rainbow was also waiting for us along with Jogini Falls. So make sure to carry a camera to capture the mind-stirring beauty of the location. The captivating waterfall is considered as one of the most romantic attractions